I've been exploring the Pocket Yoga mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Pocket Yoga is a paid yoga app designed for people who want guided classes they can follow at home. From beginners to more experienced practitioners who like structured routines on their phone, tablet, or watch. The core of the app is its guided sessions. There are 27 practices with different lengths and difficulty levels, so you can fit in a quick routine or a longer class depending on your day. Clear voice and visual instructions walk you through each pose, and a built-in pose dictionary explains alignment and benefits, which is helpful if you are still learning the basics or refining form. Users can also log their practices, unlock new environments as they progress, sync across devices, and even integrate with Apple Watch and Health to see heart rate and calories. Ratings are very positive overall, with a high average score and many long-term users reporting real progress in flexibility, strength, and consistency. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers feel that certain beginner sequences include poses that are too advanced or demoralizing, and longtime users mention that once they unlock everything, extra reward points do not have much use. It is a one-time paid app rather than free, and while recent updates add new poses and technical fixes, a few people still wish for more frequent refinements and beginner-friendly adjustments. Overall, Pocket Yoga is a solid choice if you value straightforward, guided yoga sessions you can repeat consistently, and you like tracking your practice across Apple devices. If you are an absolute beginner with very limited flexibility, or you expect constant new content and deep personalization, you may want to weigh those trade-offs before purchasing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.